To bring in as much fresh air as possible, we're improving our air filtration and ventilation systems at each school. Every day, our systems are changing out the air inside your building before and after school. Our demand response systems help to improve air quality by drawing fresh air into the building. And every school will have MERV 13 filters to capture airborne bacteria. We are also working to have open windows and air scrubbing solutions to help improve the surrounding air quality. After students go home, classrooms will be cleaned, and our team will disinfect frequently touched surfaces throughout the building. Our custodians will also use handheld and backpack electrostatic sprayers to ensure a healthy learning environment for the next day. To learn more about how we are working for a safe return to in-person learning, visit tulsaschools.org.